Alright, what we have here, we got a new package. DM-100. It's the Bulbul manual. And the shotgun mic. Alright, I bought this to have a better quality video on YouTube. So my video quality is gonna be a lot better, so you guys can enjoy my video a lot more. Okay, this is how it looks like with the bulbul on. So this is actually an animal friendly bulbul because there's no animals died with this fur. It's all natural from pubic hair removal. So from the girls that shave their pubic hair. So this how we get the bulbul. So this for the mic to reduce the wind noise on my video, so you guys can enjoy my video. Alright, I'm gonna make a sample video with this mic, shotgun mic, DM-100. I'm using this mic for Canon Vixia HF M40. Alright.